Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Chicago Board of Trade brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Chicago Board of Trade is a commodity exchange established in 1848, which originally traded only agricultural commodities such as wheat, corn, and soybeans. Now it offers options and futures contracts on a wide range of products, including gold, silver, US Treasury bonds, and energies. Traders who are searching for some of the best Chicago Board of Trade Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Chicago Board of Trade brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an all-in-one, multi-purpose American Forex and Stock broker that was founded in 1975, specializing in a wide range of stocks, Forex pairs, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options, and futures. Platforms are available on the Classic WebPlatform, the next-generation web platform, the TD Ameritrade Mobile application, or the thinkorswimplatforms, which are all supported on desktop, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With TD Ameritrade, you can open standard trading accounts, retirement accounts, education accounts, business accounts, and margin trading accounts. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these standard accounts, and they provide individual trusts and pension plans, and business partnership or sole proprietorship plans. TD Ameritrade provides educational resources on how to learn and manage your personal finances, how to invest, as well as how to plan and save for your retirement. There are plenty of videos and articles that you can use to learn the basics of investing, and they offer goal-based trading courses that will give you a foundational understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, trading different instruments, and setting up your retirement portfolio. They also provide updated market news with dozens of how-to guides, and you will have access to third-party research, market data, and financial news. At number 4 on our list is markets.com. Markets.com was founded in 2008 and is a well-regulated STP broker based in Australia, South Africa, and Cyprus. The broker is regulated by the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FSCA. This broker offers tight spreads, VIP services, and sophisticated technology for retail traders and institutional investors. However, it is also a suitable option for beginners, specializing in trading through Forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodity CFDs, bonds, index CFDs, equities, and ETFs. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Markets.com proprietary trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Markets.com offers one standard multi-purpose trading account that can be used to access all the platforms and over 2,200 tradable instruments. However, you can also upgrade to a professional account if you are a high-volume trader or an institutional investor. Their accounts come with negative balance protection, minimal slippage, and tight spreads. Markets.com also provides their very own knowledge center that delves into traders' insights, honest expert opinions, and tips for trading and investing with confidence. You can also download their trading ebook and use X-Ray for professional news feeds, expert views, and market commentary. There are plenty of webinars, news updates, analysis reports, and other resources that you can use to help you learn more about trading. Coming in at number 3, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 2 on our list is RoboForex. RoboForex Group was founded in 2009, with its headquarters located in Cyprus, with over 800,000 active traders, 12,000 market instruments, and 8 different asset types. RoboForex offers services and specializes in trading through forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, commodities, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, R and C Trader platforms, as well as RoboForex's terminals for mobile traders, which are supported on iOS, Android, and Windows operating systems. Provided accounts are featured on Prime, ECN, RTrader, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts, with up to 36 currency pairs, a variety of tradable market instruments, lower minimum deposits, and more, with fixed spread accounts available on Fixed Cent, Fixed Standard, ProCent, and Pro Standard accounts. RoboForex also provides their very own educational panels, which features forex analysis and forecasts, beginner introductions to getting started with trading, a range of video tutorials, trading tools, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your education with RoboForex. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Chicago Board of Trade brokers, we have RoboMarkets. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated beginner-friendly brokers. This company was founded in 2012, and they are regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the financial regulatory agency of Cyprus. RoboMarkets have won dozens of awards over the years for being safe, offering the best trading conditions, and for providing the best mobile trading platform. As a RoboMarkets client, you will have access to more than 12,000 Forex pairs, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. They offer 5 flexible, low-cost accounts, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. RoboMarkets accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. RoboMarkets also offers an exceptional proprietary trading platform known as RStocks Trader. And this platform was designed specifically for trading thousands of CFDs and stocks on offer. This platform has a built-in algorithmic strategy builder, and you can research and analyze market conditions down to the finest details with the Level 2 market depth, as well as time and sales data provided. In addition to the tools and features you get with MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as RStocks Trader, RoboMarkets also provides advanced trading calculators, in-depth financial charts, and an updated economic calendar that you can use to keep track of major economic events. RoboMarkets offers 5 types of accounts, and they also give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. Unlike most other brokers, a minimum deposit of $100 is required to use any of these accounts. So more experienced traders don't have to make larger deposits to use professional accounts, which usually offer tighter spreads, higher leverage, and more advanced trading tools. The maximum leverage allowed at RoboMarkets is 1 to 300. However, the leverage you can use will depend on your level of trading experience and knowledge of trading. If you are trading for the first time, or you would like to test your strategies, we would recommend the ProCent account. The ProCent account comes with loyalty bonuses, deposit bonuses, and one-click trading. This account offers floating spreads starting from 1.3 pips, and you can use it to trade a wide range of CFDs on Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Their Prime account or their Electronic Communication Network account offer floating spreads starting as low as 0 pips and are eligible for all loyalty bonuses. They are both market execution accounts, but the Prime account offers the best trading conditions overall, while the ECN account offers the lowest spreads, more currency pairs, and the fastest execution. However, both accounts are great for intermediate and professional traders. Their RStocks Trader account is designed specifically for stock trading on the RStocks Trader platform, and it can be used to trade more than 12,000 stocks. The spreads and commission fees on this account are incredibly low, and it is the only account that can be converted to a swap-free account. The main difference between these accounts is that the ProCent account is a cent account that can only be used to trade Forex pairs, metals, and cryptocurrencies. However, the Pro account can be used to trade all instruments offered and is one of the most popular accounts amongst RoboMarkets clients. RoboMarkets provides introductory guides for beginners that will help you open your account and make your first trade. There are also guides that will help you choose the right platform and account for you. Once your account is set up, you can visit the RoboMarkets Analytics Center. Here you will find weekly reviews, updates on key economic news, overall market overviews, wave analysis, and more. They also provide dozens of technical indicator signals that are displayed in table format and are available on 7 timeframes. We would also recommend watching the RoboMarkets webinars to gain expert insights into the markets and exclusive trading tips, and you can also read through their blogs to learn more about stock trading and investing. RoboMarkets is one of our top-rated all-in-one brokers for beginners, professionals, and all types of traders in between. They offer flexible accounts with tight spreads and thousands of tradable instruments, so we highly recommend trading with them if you would like to trade stocks and CFDs, and especially if you are a high-volume trader, so that you can earn cashback rewards every month. and those are some of the top 5 best Chicago Board of Trade brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.